Excuse me.
Hey.
My arm is on fire. Thank you very much, sir. Could you please get me down from here?
We are shielded from all that is harmful. Hail!
Do you mind? I'm so sorry. Thank you.
That's an A-class medical. Looks like he was doing medical exams on Mithric officers and their families.
What for?
They were chosen to go on the Ark. All their identifying information is on here. Can these things do plastic surgery?
Of course. I'm also proficient in war wounds.
Okay, shut up.
Yes, sir.
We're about the same build as these two. We can get their passes. If we don't get on the Ark, we're gonna die, along with everything else on this planet.
This android is barely functioning.
I still have 70% capability.
I'll go first. Okay?
Okay.
Hey. Now why don't you go find us something to eat? This is gonna hurt.
Marginally. This might make you feel better. Morphine